You don't need a CRM. Every time I bring up follow-up with a contractor, I hear the same thing. Yeah, I know. I keep telling myself I need to get a CRM. You don't. Not yet. Not at your size. What you need is a Google Sheet with 5 columns: customer name, date sent, amount, follow-up date, and status. That's it. Your office coordinator checks it every Monday morning. Anything over 48 hours with no response gets a call or a text. The whole review takes 10 minutes. A $200 per month CRM is a distraction when you don't have the follow-up habit yet. You're buying software to avoid doing the work. Build the habit first. Nail the 48-hour follow-up. Get your close rate from 20% to 35%. Then invest in the software if you need it. I've seen contractors add $8,000 to $12,000 per month using nothing but a spreadsheet and a Monday morning routine. No automation, no software subscription, just discipline and a dead simple system. Start simple. Start Monday. If you want the exact 5-column tracker I set up with every client, DM me sheet and I'll send it over. Free. No pitch. No red tape. And with that, more to come.